Well, I'm here today in a spectacular part of the hills near where I live, and it really is another beautiful day, and it's a Monday. And you know, I'm on my path, I'm on my 7-day program, just like you are. And again, what I'm just reiterating to you is when you live life and when you stay on a program, when you stay on a plan, you really can set yourself up for the success that you've been looking for. And you know, this far into the program now, it's another exciting day because obstacles came this morning and we had to basically go and spend some time with some teachers at one of my kids' schools and work out a few issues there, and we did that, but we had the focus. So we knew there were issues to deal with as part of life, and that's not a problem, but then to then come out and get some me time and just relax and focus on the things that I have in my plan and my structured formula of what I want to achieve over the next 7 to 21 days. This is where I am. I've come to a peaceful place, a place that I encourage you to find, and what it does is again, it really invigorates me. Yes, I had to deal with those things this morning, but now I've taken time out for me. And it really is true to form. By staying on this program, the things I've achieved since I first started it really do blow me away, because before I had a structured plan, I would just be all over the place. And that meeting this morning could have consumed my whole day, could have been the reason why I stopped either doing this cycle or lost focus. So it really is beneficial to stay on this program for me. And that's why I'm so impressed by what so many people have told me they have done by using this formula. So keep ticking the boxes, stay on track, because in another 7 days or another 21 days, you never know what distractions are going to come your way, and you never know that by using this focus, just what you can achieve. So you've ticked the boxes, you've written the goals, stay on par, because by doing that, that's the secret, that's the way you get to continue to head towards exactly the success that you're really looking for. And isn't that why we're here? Isn't that why you've pressed play once again? Because you want the solution, you want someone to say, hey, get up again, go again. No matter what's happened, you can refire, you can restart. And if you have that knowledge that someone's in your corner like I am, who's really supporting you, then there is someone that is looking forward to hearing from you, someone that's looking forward to meeting you, someone that is saying, get up again, you can do it. And we're really proud of you for doing what 95% of people don't have the courage to do. So it is impressive. I am proud of you, and I'm really impressed that you've come this far on the journey. So just imagine what you can be doing in the next 7 to 21 days, the next 3 months. It's really the beginning of the new you, and as it starts to unfold, you're going to discover things about yourself you didn't realize. So it's not just about money, it's not just about health, it's a whole balance of all these things. And the further you go on this path, the more revealing it's going to become to you of why it worked for me and why it's going to work for you. Even when you have doubts, even when you think, oh, maybe it's not going to be as good as you hoped, just persevere, because the 7 days or the 21 days are going to come anyway. So by just staying on path and following the processes, I've got some more things coming up for you soon that are going to help you refine where you've come from, but most importantly, where you really want to go. And I have my rewards set up every time I reach a milestone, and I really encourage you to make sure you have your rewards set up for your milestones. Your business is finally off of the ground that you've always wanted to start, or the cookbook you've always wanted to write, or the song, or the exercise, or the weight, whatever it is that you're looking to achieve, you've got the formula. And just by staying on track, that's half of the formula itself, just staying on track. So well done. And if you haven't had any questions, if you haven't had any fears or any doubts, that's even better. It may even get boring for you sometimes, but just stay on path. That's the process, just stay on path. Because I've got some exciting things coming up in about 2 days that are going to really start to rock your world and make you realize where you've come from and where you're going and the potential of what you can really achieve. So the grey in my beard is starting to pop out again, but I feel like I'm 21 again. So it doesn't stop me, it doesn't hold me back. So I look forward to it really, really helping you. So in 2 days' time, imagine where you're going to be. It's going to get very, very exciting.